All right, to start us off before we determine and write parallel and perpendicular lines, let's remember how to get equations into slope-intercept form. Okay, so remember slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is my slope, so that's how I move, rise over run. The b is my y-intercept, that's where I begin. That's the first point that I plot. Okay? So let's get these two equations into slope-intercept form. For the first one, it's really close. The y is by itself. However, it's got the 3 with it. So I need to divide everything by 3. Okay, so that's going to be y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Now it is in slope-intercept form. Okay? In b, first step I got to do is subtract the 2x from both sides. Because that's going to give me negative 6y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now I'm going to divide everything by negative 6. And I'll get y equals 1/3 x minus 2/3. Okay? So just make sure we remember how to get equations into slope-intercept form. So, parallel lines. How do I know if two lines are parallel in a coordinate plane? Okay, or if I'm given their equations. So, if two non-vertical lines have the same slope, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so a little bit of a graphing review. If I'm giving you that y equals negative 3x plus 1, y-intercept is at 1, slope is negative 3, so I go down 3 to the right 1, down 3 to the right 1, down 3 to the right 1. Or I could go up 3 to the left 1. All right, and then I'm just going to connect the dots as best as I can right now. Okay, so that is my given line. All right, if I wanted to create an equation for a line that is parallel to that, well, f of x or y equals, either one. So f of x equals, got to have the same slope, but it's going to have a different y-intercept. So I'm just going to do minus, what should we do, 7? Okay, so start at negative 7, go down 3 to the right 1. Okay, then I ran out of room, so I'm going to go up 3 to the left 1, up 3 to the left 1, up 3 to the left 1. I'm going to draw that vertical line as best as I can. These two lines are parallel. Okay, they have the same slope but different y-intercepts. So, how do we write an equation of the line that passes through a point, 2, 4, and is parallel to the line y equals 4x plus 1? All right, so the given slope, the slope of my given line is 4. All right, so the parallel slope is also going to be 4. Okay, now to write an equation of a line when we're given a point and a slope, I'm going to use point slope form, so that is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m equals the slope and x1, y1 is a point on the line. So if I wanted to find the equation of this line, goes through this point, all right, and has this slope, I'm going to do y minus the y coordinate, which is 4, equals my slope, which is 4, times x minus the x coordinate, which is 2. Okay? I'm going to distribute the 4 now, so I got y minus 4 equals 4x minus 8. Add 4 to both sides, we get y equals 4x minus 4. Okay? Or f of x equals 4x minus 4. It could also be in function notation. Remember, y and f of x, they're saying the same thing. Okay? So that is how we write an equation of a parallel line. Figure out what slope you want, and then use point slope form. What about part B? B is saying, write an equation of the line that passes through the point negative 4, 6, and is parallel to the line 3x minus 3y equals 2. So first thing I got to do is get my given line into slope-intercept form. All right, so we got negative 3y equals negative 3x plus 2. I'm going to divide everything by negative 3. So divide everything by negative 3. I'll get y equals 1x, or just x, minus 2/3. All right, so my given slope is 1. So my parallel slope is also going to be 1. So now use point slope form. So we have y minus the y coordinate, which is 6, equals the slope that I want, which is 1, times x minus the x coordinate. So x minus negative 4. So remember, minus and negative is the same thing as plus a positive. So this is going to be y minus 6 equals 1 times x plus 4. Distribute the 1. Nothing's going to change. It's going to stay x plus 4. So y equals x plus 10. That is the equation of the parallel line to my given line, and it also goes through negative 4, 6. All right, in the next video, we will talk about perpendicular lines. How can we write perpendicular lines? Make sure to check that out.